I started the Mad Baker, and my name is Maddy Belnap. I was talking with my husband, Cody, and he said, "What if you got paid to do this? Someone would buy this." And I said, "No way, you're crazy." He actually started me an Instagram, showed me the next day, and that's how I got my start. Cody definitely is involved. It's really fun because it's been kind of a family project that's brought us together. So he'll do the social media part of it, I'll do the cookies, and then it's really fun to have that creative come together, with his wording on the posts or his hashtags, figure out kind of the best strategy for that particular order, which is really fun. The custom boxes that we have really make a cookie order turn into an experience for my customers. I love the thought of my cookies being out there in somebody else's home, hopefully bringing them joy. So to have my custom box along with that, they definitely remember who made their cookies, and it makes their event feel really special and my product feel very personalized.